Hi, I'm Jeremy, and I'm your host of Tell Me Wine TV, and today's a tasting show, and we're trying another Australian monster. This is a second wine that we're tasting, both from the same producer, the Viking estate in Barossa Valley. They're both 2005. We tried the Cabernet Sauvignon originally. Now we're trying the Shiraz, and that's what's more typical of the region. And I'm just reading the back as we're sitting here, and this says that two things. One, the vines are 50 years old. 50 years old. So that means we are going to get what I consider a very nuanced style of wine, perhaps very elegant. The older the vine gets, the more interesting the fruit becomes, and the less fruit a vine produces. The other very interesting thing that I'm reading on the back of this bottle is the vineyard is the Marenga vineyard, which was previously a vineyard which the Grange wine estate would pull its fruit from. And Grange is, without question, Australia's most famous wine. So the fruit in this bottle, at one point, not this fruit, but the vines produced fruit for Grange, which again, Australia's #1 bottle for the last 50 plus years. So it's kind of declassified Grange, we'll call it that, okay? The Grand Shiraz. So here we go. Pretty dark, concentrated wine. Again, not opaque. Garnet color. A little rusty. Tiny rusty. Very elegant. Powdered cocoa, almonds. Black plum, cherry. A lot of stuff going on in this one. Not getting spit out. This is a very good wine. The alcohol is contained. There's some good stuff going on in the palate. A little bit more citrusy and acidic than I would have expected. A little like grapefruit pith. Sour cherry, a little bit of chocolate, But this is not one of your typical, brooding monsters. It's a big wine for sure, but nothing compared to, some other out-of-control Australians. And the fact that it has the lineage of this Marenga vineyards that provided grapes for Grange says a lot about the wine itself and warrants the price point, $46. So again, a big Australian barbecue kind of a wine, grilled meats, heavier sauces, could stand up to a lot of stuff,